Welcome back, guys. So today we'll be talking on a detailed look at the all-new Tesla Model S. So let's get into it. For 2021, Tesla is adding considerably more execution to Model S. Another top-spec model will be called Plaid, will flaunt 1020 pull from 3 installed electric engines and is supposed to be equipped with a 0 to 100 miles per hour time of 2 seconds. Notwithstanding its noteworthy force and speed certifications, Tesla additionally says the Plaid is equipped for giving up to 390 miles of driving reach. The remainder of the agreement benefits by an outside styling revival and a redesigned inside, complete with a Burton-type directing wheel that looks enlivened by F1 hustling vehicles. Engine and performance. With an electric engine committed to every one of the front and back axles, the Model S offers full-time all-wheel drive regardless of which adaptation you pick. Speed increase of the different models goes from remarkable to fierce. We haven't tried the Model S long range or Plaid yet our 2020 Model S test vehicle conveyed a rankling 2.4 second 0 to 60 miles per hour time and demonstrated interminably amusement because of its nearby force conveyance. The Plaid model flaunts a third electric engine which lifts consolidated yield to 1020 pull. Tesla hasn't delivered that monster into the wild yet, however guarantees it's fit for a 0 to 60 miles per hour season of simply 2 seconds. That would make it the fastest vehicle to 60 miles per hour we've at any point tried, so we'll clearly need to take it to the track to check whether its exhibition coordinates with the publicity. The standard Model S has substantiated itself as a spry games car with all-around controlled body movements and direct guiding. 2 unique settings permit drivers to pick hefty or light directing exertion, yet neither of them empower more input from the street. Ride solace is acceptable, the taking care of is fresh, and it's certain and practically serene on the interstate. Range, charging, and battery life. Under the Tesla's floor lies a battery pack that yields a low focus of gravity and equitably circulated weight from front to race. Driving reach and speed increase execution fluctuates from one model to another, with the long-range adaptation's battery giving up to 412-mile range, while the Plaid model proposes up to 390. Upstart Lucid Motors says its Air Extravagance vehicle is evaluated for up to 517 miles for each charge. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. While EVs, for example the Chevy Bolt and Polestar 2, convey useful driving reach, the Model S remains a great option in contrast to fuel-controlled vehicles with significant distance conveyance. The base long-range model gets the most noteworthy MPGe proposals at 121 city and 112 roadway. In our genuine world, 75 miles per hour expressway efficiency test, a 2020 Model S. Interior, comfort, and cargo. With Model S costs beginning at near $80,000, purchasers would be sensible to anticipate a specific measure of extravagance inside the vehicle. The Lodge's environment is adequately pleasant. However, it's not close to as extravagant as those of our top choices, for example, the Mercedes-Benz E-Class and the Volvo S90. The Model S's slanted roofline astutely shrouds a back liftgate that opens up to uncover an immense 26 cubic foot trunk. It has figured out how to stash 8 of the lightweight suitcase-sized cases without collapsing down the back seats. Irrelevant little thing chubby stowage all through the inside, particularly in the secondary lounge, is balanced by a huge underfloor canister in the back freight region. Infotainment and connectivity. Enthusiasts of current moderation will venerate the Model S's Lodge, which comes standard with a Goliath infotainment system that controls practically the entirety of the vehicle's capacities. Technophiles will be in awe. The screens sitting on the dashboard will require a few drivers to lean forward in their seat to arrive at specific symbols, particularly those close to the upper right of the showcase. Dissimilar to the less expensive Model 3, the Model S gives an optional showcase to the measure bunch and a little touchpad in the back seat also. Safety and driver assistant features. Albeit, the Model S has started a cross-country discussion about the well-being of halfway, self-governing vehicles and has been accounted for to burst into flames after specific sorts of high-velocity impacts. Its security validity is floated by nice accident test results from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, and the information that vehicle fires aren't unprecedented, either in electric or fuel-controlled vehicles. Key well-being highlights include standard mechanized crisis slowing down, standard path takeoff cautioning, accessible versatile journey control with semi-self-ruling driving mode, warranty and maintenance coverage. Tesla offers a far-reaching guarantee bundle to secure the Model S's powertrain and half segments, yet comes up short on the extensive, heavily congested inclusion and free planned upkeep bundles of the Jaguar I-Pace. Restricted guarantee covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain guarantee covers 8 years and limitless miles. No free booked upkeep. So that was all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to hit like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know your thoughts about the video in the comment section.